the devil? Are you ready for the devil, man? Are you ready for the devil? No mercy, no mercy. Your soul's at the crossroads. Your sins unforgiven. You're gonna take that dark oath. You wanna dig in the earth. You wanna play in the flames. My flame's gonna hurt. Are you ready for the devil, man? Are you ready for the devil, man? Are you ready for the devil? Are you ready for the devil, man? Are you ready for the devil? No mercy, no mercy. No mercy, no mercy. No mercy, no mercy. No mercy, no mercy. Are you ready for the devil, man? Are you ready for the devil? Are you ready for the devil, man? Are you ready for the devil? No mercy, no mercy. No mercy, no mercy. Are you ready for the devil?
Hi, everyone, with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro shortly. Big action looking for all of this. The teams have taken to the ice, and it's setting up to be a terrific matchup. And before the face-off, here's Eddie.
These two teams both need the W here tonight. I can see them playing it safe early, but the question is, which team will make the first mistake?
Terrific action lies ahead. Cut it a little close, didn't you? But you're here, and so are we. Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro, and me, Mike Emmerich. Game just started. Onside. Outstanding point-blank save.
A quick developing play right in front. Too close to the goaltender.
Off a defender, that's a free puck. Djurgården's got it in their own end, hoping for center. Gives it over to the point. Lets it go. Great save. Lin Choping's looking to head man up the wing. Shoots it on. Right up the side. He goes back into his own end. Broke it up.
Well, we can only hope that the game picks up in pace here. The teams seem to be feeling each other out.
Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. And let's head down to ice level. Here's Ray Ferraro.
The Chopings had a very aggressive start to this game. They're a fast-skating, physical team, and it's pretty clear they're trying to set the tone of this game in the early moments.
Okay, Ray, keep listening down there. Couldn't get through there. Goes back deep for it. Muscled right off. Has that pass off the boards. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Gets across, looks over his options. Has that point pass as well. Right to the point. That hits somebody. Looking from the blue line. Pass across at the point. Passed across point to point. Out to the half wall. Skates out with it. Waits with it. With a shot. Blockered away. Lin Choping's controlling play along the boards. And they've got it again. Carried right down the middle of the ice. Shoots one. Ooh, he got in the way of that one. Anderson's lugging it in his own end, headed northward. And the puck taken over by Roy. Great opportunity, but the pass didn't connect. Djurgården's carrying on up the wing. Regathers it. Terrific shot, but a great point-blank save.
You want to score a goal, you have to go to this area.
Has it back deep. Linköping's accelerating ahead through the neutral zone. Decides he wants the corner. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Around through the corner. That pass tipped away by the opposition. Puck controlled by Eriksson. Marches on a cross. Djurgården's in control as they travel up the wing. Lets it go. Waffle boarded. Knocked right off the stick. Not a free puck now. Linköping's got it and moving up the wing. Good hand to eye. And the reach there. Nearing the last minute of play in the first. He scores!
The goaltender had no chance stopping that puck with the quick release.
Erikson's down in his butterfly a little early. That opens up the top of the net, and he gets beaten cleanly.
Linköping's been able to break the scoreless tie, but can they build on this? Neutralized face-off win. Linköping's recoiling back in their own end. It's an onside play. Oh, and that shot is way off.
This was a heavy shot, but it had no chance of going in because it missed the net.
Djurgården's carrying it through center. He takes that pass right off the left wing. And that's one period. Still 2 more to go. Only 1 goal scored, lots of time left to play.
Are you looking to impress at your next group event? Then rent out one of our luxury boxes with great views, waiter service.
Linköping's goal came on this play. There's at least one locker room that's happy at the end of this period. We'll be right back.
See our website for details.
We are in the early stages of this game, about to begin the second period. Your thoughts on the first?
Djurgården has to be happy with the score. But one thing they're not happy with is the way they managed the puck in that first period. Way too many turnovers. Way too many gifts given to the opponent.
Fires. Just couldn't find the target.
I know what he's trying to do there, Doc, but you got to hit the net in this situation.
Takes it to the corner. To the point it comes. Fires! Oh, what a break. That shot hit somebody. Gains the zone. Terrific opportunity, but it's off the mark.
I know that shot just missed the net, but that thing was moving.
Napped by Bork. Pressing on with it up the wing. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. Linköping's carrying on in the defensive zone. Puck fired down, decision made. Defenders first, icing. They win it. Nicely received at the point. Nearly grazed the iron on that. Goalie's one of the 6 guys on the ice. He can pass. He did that. Gains the... That one is pointed to him. Shooter tempted to stare at the ceiling on that one. What a glove grab.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
A little under 7 minutes have transpired here in the second. It's a 1-0 game. Slides it to the point. Lin Xiaoping's moving the puck through center ice. In the slot. Wonderful save. It didn't look like he had a thing to shoot at.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Pinpoint pass up that right wing. Good place to shoot from. They score! And they've tied the game up.
The shooter had a couple of different options here. He could pass or shoot. He decided on the latter and beat the goaltender clean.
Gustafson's reflexes usually are able to catch up to something like this, but Eddie, that's a perfect shot. Really accurate, just off the inside of the post.
Djurgården's got this game even up now, and we're still in the second period.
I'm generally a guy that's entertained by lots of goals, and low-scoring games kind of bore me, but this has been pretty good. There's been chances, the goaltenders have been good, and it's been very physical.
Time of the goal, 9 minutes, 8 seconds.
Let's go, Arister. Oh, a close call there.
Well, that's a good scoring chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
Slid to Roy. Loose puck, solid defensive play there. And it's a good pickup. To Eriksson. Gets in. What'll he do? Missed the net. Outletted to Roy. Possession held as he skates it up the wing. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. And he steps across the line. Shoots. He scores! 2 in a row.
Rodin's quick hands allowed him to snap that one off and score the goal.
Edzo, the goaltender's too quick to rely on his technique. He drops down quickly. That opens up the top of the net, and too much room there for a shooter of this quality.
Djurgården's gotten a 1-goal lead, and lots of time left in the game. We're still in period number 2. And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it. Wonderful block. Got it in his own end.
13 minutes, 44 seconds.
And that's an offside. A little over 5 minutes still showing on the clock this period. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a 1-goal contest. Roped in by Brodin. Djurgården's on the move up the wing. It's dumped in. Gathered up again by Brodin. He gets that pass ahead in stride. Moved along and in. Oh, he's got this one, but can they catch up to him? Take it to the slot. Puck loose. Strong defensive play by Larson. Lin Xiaoping's trying to work it hard along the boards. Terrific save with the pad. Good work with the stick. Clock about to bleed down to the final minute.
In the second period.
Djurgården's up the wing, controlling play now. Terrific hand-eye. Pass up that right wing, and he's got it. Loose puck did not go well. We've played 2 periods here of a 3-period game. The best part of the day is coming up.
When the home team wins, you win $10 off at Rob's. When the home team wins, bring your tickets to any Rob's Sporting Goods for a coupon.
Brodin's goal has made the difference so far, but is it the winner? Intermission time is here.
Within a week of the game.
We are entering the third period. Based on the first two, what are you expecting to happen?
Linköping had very little time of possession, Doc. They've been outplayed in that category big time, but they're still in this game. One shot, and they're right in it.
We have begun the third period. Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Linköping's in their own end, hopefully shifting from defense to offense here. Shooting, score, and this one is tied.
Bowie was surprised at how quick that snapshot got on him.
Enzo, he's in good position here, but the shooter's known to be a real accurate shooter. He doesn't have much room, and he doesn't miss it.
And the face-off's won. Passing one off now to Borg. Strong play, good reach. Oh, poke check saved one there. Looks over his options from the corner. What a shot! It glanced off the crossbar. No goal. Has it picked up. Djurgården's lugging it up the wing. Nicely into the zone. Lets it go. That's a good pad save. Wonderful and outstanding save. Linköping setting things up through the neutral zone. With a wrister. Off his mask. Djurgården's got it in their own end, driving toward the neutral zone. Knocked it away with the stick. He's got that pass at the point. Shoots one. Great save in close. Just over 7 minutes have been played in this, the third period. The winds have shifted yet again. This game is back in a tie. Knocks it away with the stick. Play is stopped, and now we'll hear the call. Anderson's going to the box, and the call is tripping.
He's got great stick positioning. Stick is on the ice, but unfortunately takes the skates out from under him.
And so begins power play number one. Let's see if it's power play goal number one. Good clean win. What a ripper! Terrific save.
7 minutes, 40 seconds.
Quick work on the faceoff. Save!
Goalie's looking around the screen to try to find the puck.
Trying the probe up the wing. Snaps a shot. Wonderful chance to score, but no. Pass cut. Djurgården's controlling play now up the wing. Through the corner. Shoots. Oh, what a terrific save in close. Goes back in where a goaltender can make this play, not a defenseman or forward. Into the end of attack. Grab, great chance ahead. Got it all.
What a glove save. He showed him the glove and he took it away.
Picks it up back there. Loose puck. There was no getting through. Can't get a shot on. Makes that play deep. Directing that one to Roy. Loose puck. It went off one of the guys there. That puck's loose. Defended away by Falk. Can make a play from the corner. Blocked away. Lets it go. Score!
You take a slap shot from this close, you're just looking to hit the net.
That's the shot there, Edzo. Low to the stick side. The goaltender can't get to it.
Lynn Chopin's got the lead now by 1. Third period of play. It'll be a wonderful finish. And they've won the neutral zone faceoff.
By number 40,
Gets in, looks over his options here. Carries it to the corner.
time of the goal, 13 minutes.
He can start some danger here. Terrific save, terrific opportunity.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
It's almost like these teams are mirror images of each other. There's no room on the ice. Nobody has been able to spread out the play and generate a whole ton of scoring chances.
And the puck out of play into the player's bench. And here's Ray.
Djurgårdens has had poor luck tonight. They've had a post, a crossbar or two, but they're really hurt themselves because they can't get the puck with any regularity on the net.
Ray, I don't know if you believe in omens or not. One side says, well, it's got to change sometime, and another says, maybe not tonight. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Good pass, and he looks ahead from the right wing. Shoots one. Outstanding save made off a terrific chance. Possession established on the pickup by Carlson. Lynn Chopin's carrying on along the boards. Not through. Got it at the point. Can he generate something from there? Long lead pass to Larson. Skill play by Carlson. Djurgården skating in their own end, trying to get to the neutral zone. We are in the last minute. What a reaction save.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Taken over now by Carlson. And he gains the zone. Shoots one. Outstanding save. Goalie to the bench. Substitution made. Shoots one. Didn't miss by much.
You know what, Doc? I could see why he missed the net. There was nothing there. He tried to be too fine.
Net open. He scores.
That one should put the icing on the cake.
That's going to be too much for them to come back from. That empty net or will seal the deal.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Nicely into the zone. A shot. Missed on the shot. Goalie is gone. Extra man coming on. Great job, great speed, no icing. The game is over. It is a calculated risk that you have to take in the sport of hockey. You may be trailing, but you've got a chance to at least tie it up by pulling your goalie.
When you do that, you have to get the goal scorers out on the ice, just not able to cash in with the extra attacker.
And again, we thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the evening as much as we did. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying good night.